Hello everyone, welcome back to Nat 2. Are you tired of your hair shedding, falling out? You're looking on the pillow and you're seeing a significant amount of shedding, or you just have dry, itchy, flaky scalp. Well, do you find that sometimes your hair may actually be shedding to this amount? Or it might be shedding to the point where it's balding. You can actually go from this amount to this amount. Please stay tuned to find out more about this 90-day conditioning challenge to help your hair grow and stop shedding. Please stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to just jump right ahead into some things that I would like to share with my subscribers. I would like to ask those of you who are on a natural hair care journey and you may be starting out, I am going to be doing a 90-day natural, all natural product conditioning challenge. I'm trying to limit the amount of products I am going to use, although I'm using my own products. But I want to do a natural conditioning challenge. And this challenge is going to involve low manipulation. And one of my favorite plants, aloe vera. Aloe vera is actually very, very good for your skin, for your hair. It's loaded with nutrients, loaded with vitamins. It's excellent for the scalp, especially if you have problems with your scalp like dandruff or just even an itchy scalp. And every so often I will get an itchy scalp. So I am going on this challenge, and I do have aloe vera, and I'm going to show you how I make my aloe vera water. And I will be using this quite frequently. So I would like for you guys to join me, because at the end of the 90 days there is going to be a drawing for those who were with me from start to finish. I'm going to give a $50 gift certificate to my Give Me Vitality store. Also, you will get $50 cash from me if you join in with me for 90 days. Now this is almost like fasting to some degree, because there's going to be a lot involved, and I definitely want to keep you guys posted. And I'm not going to show the length of my hair or anything until after the 90 days. So that's what I would like to do, and I would like those that are interested to send me an email, and that way we can correspond and talk and go from there. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Subscribe in order to get the updates from me regarding my hair care journey and a few other things that are upcoming this year on my channel. So if you are new, please subscribe for all updates. And every time I post a video, hit the notification bell will, send you my videos. So with that being said, as I always say, be natural, stay natural, take care, and God bless. Hopefully I'll hear from you guys soon. Take care, God bless.